Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Marta Nowicka. I am a Polish visual artist based in the US. I am an abstract painter, printmaker, and on my channel I share my art processes. I share tutorials in printmaking and mixed media and watercolors. I also record for you art book reviews, and I also share with you story of me being an artist. I started my career after 40, and also I had to reinvent and start career over in the US when I moved here. So I hope you will find something interesting and you will get some inspiration. So yeah, please subscribe, like, comment. I reply to all comments under my videos, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.